and welcome to this Japanese course specially curated for beginners. In this video, I am going to teach you about Japanese katakana characters. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Katakana characters are used to write foreign-derived words such as people's name, places, and food. Katakana is also used for scientific, medical, and technical terms that don't have native Japanese words. It makes modern terminology easy to understand and consistent. Companies use katakana in their brand names to give a clean, modern, and stylish feel. It makes the name stand out and look instantly recognizable. Katakana has 46 basic characters, each representing a key sound or a syllable. When we learn katakana, we start with the 5 vowels. A, I, U, E, and O, pronounced like A, E, U, A, and O. After that, each subsequent row is sorted by the consonant sound they're paired with in the order of those 5 vowels. So for example, after A, E, U, A, O, we learn Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko, and so on and so forth. Now let's go through the stroke order for each of these characters. We will start with the first column.
A.
To memorize this, imagine a long vertical line of an ice cream cone with a firm horizontal line across the top.
I.
This looks like the slanted eaves of a house.
U.
To memorize this, imagine a strong guy saying "ooh" as he lifts the weights.
E.
You can think of a sound E as an exercise resembling a person stretching their arms and legs in a workout pose.
O.
To memorize this, imagine an opera singer. His mouth is shaped like an O and he's singing O. Now let's proceed to the second column featuring the consonant K.
Ka.
To memorize this, imagine a cup with straw resting inside it.
Ki.
Think of the katakana character ki as resembling a key. The upper part represents the key's teeth.
Ku.
This looks like a tall cook's hat tipped to the side.
Ke.
To memorize this, imagine the letter K.
Ko.
See the two 90-degree corners? The 2 corners are what help you to remember that this is ko. Great job! We finished the first 2 columns. Let's proceed to the next consonant, S.
Sa.
To remember this, imagine 2 fish on a skewer. One small like a sardine and one big like a salmon. You can also remember sa by thinking of sakana, the Japanese word for fish.
Shi.
To remember katakana shi, imagine the front of a ship sinking into the water.
Su.
To memorize this, imagine a Superman swooping through the sky.
Se.
To memorize this, imagine a person running who is about to set a world record.
So.
To memorize katakana so, imagine one needle and a long thread which you use to sew. Well done on completing the 3 columns. Let's move on to the next column, T.
Ta.
To memorize this, imagine the Leaning Tower of Pisa tilting to one side.
Chi.
Visualize Chi as a cheerleader doing a split with her pom-poms in hand, cheering chi chi chi.
Tsu.
To memorize this, think of a tsunami wave rising from the ocean.
Te.
To memorize this, you can visualize it as a table. Imagine the horizontal stroke at the top as the tabletop and the downward curve as one of the table legs.
To.
To memorize this, imagine a tall totem pole with a small carving sticking out. Impressive effort on completing the 4th column. Now let's tackle the next consonant, N.
Na.
Imagine a knife with a handle and a long blade.
に、に、
To memorize this, imagine two straight needles lying side by side.
ぬ、ぬ、
This looks like chopsticks picking up a strand of noodles.
ね、ね、
To memorize this, imagine a necktie with a small knot at the top.
の、の、
This looks like a long pointed nose sticking out. Great job on mastering the fifth column. Let's move on to the next column, H.
は、は、
This looks like a wide rice patty hat with two sides sticking out.
ひ、ひ、
Imagine a person leaning forward while pulling one heel up.
ふ、ふ、
This looks like a hood hanging down from someone's head.
へ、へ、
Imagine the hiragana hey as the shape of a head seen from the side profile.
ほ、ほ、
To memorize this, imagine a holy cross with two people praying beside it. Brilliant job on finishing the sixth column. Let's turn our attention to the consonant M.
ま、ま、
To memorize this, imagine my nose outlined from the side profile.
み、み、
To memorize this, imagine three missiles flying towards you.
む、む、
Imagine the katakana mu as a cow making the sound moo.
め、め、
This looks like the shape of a small metal knife pointing upwards.
も、も、
Imagine the hiragana mo as a hook with multiple fish hanging from it. Great job on mastering the seventh column. Let's move on to the next consonant, Y.
や、や、
To memorize this, imagine a small yacht gliding across the water.
ゆ、ゆ、
To memorize katakana U, imagine a boy holding a ukulele to play it.
よ、よ、
This looks like a girl forming three lines with her arms and legs in yoga. You have done an amazing job. Now let's move forward to the next consonant, R.
ら、ら、
This resembles a hot ramen noodle cup.
り、り、
To memorize this, imagine two ribbon strands hanging side by side.
る、る、
Imagine there are two routes you can take, route 1 and route 2.
れ、れ、
This looks like a simple outline of a referee's whistle.
ろ、ろ、
This resembles a boxy robot's body. You have done an incredible job. Now, let's proceed to the second last consonant, W.
わ、わ、
Imagine katakana wa as a wine glass. The top stroke looks like the rim of the glass, and the curved stroke on the right looks like the outer bowl of the glass.
お、お、
To memorize this, imagine a dog woofing so hard its tongue is flying out. Let's wrap up and head to our last consonant.
ん、ん、
Imagine this as one-eyed ghost. You have learned a lot, and now it's time to test your knowledge. Let's top it off with a fun quiz to see how much you remember. Ready to find out? Let's see if you got it right. It's the katakana mi. Remember the missiles? Which character represents the katakana ho? The answer is, remember the Holy Cross with two people praying beside it. The answer is Ro. Remember the robot? The answer is Ta. Remember the Tower of Pisa? The answer is O. Remember the opera singer singing O. Let me know your scores in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and spread the fun. Don't Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to Japanese Sensei 101 for more exciting content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.